Hello, today we will guide you through how to export conversation in Claude AI. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to access Claude's privacy settings and export conversation data directly from your account. This is useful if you want to keep a copy of your chats for reference, backup, or documentation. The process is straightforward, and we'll move through it carefully so it's easy to follow. To begin, open Claude in your browser and go to the New Chat page. This will take you into the main Claude interface, where you can access your account controls and settings. Once you're on the main screen, look to the bottom left corner and click on your profile account. This area typically contains your account menu and gives you access to additional options related to your workspace and personal settings. After the account menu opens, click on Settings. This will bring you to the section where Claude organizes account preferences, system options, and privacy-related controls. If you don't immediately see the setting you need, don't worry. We'll head to the correct section next. Inside Settings, click on Privacy. This is where Claude places controls related to your data and how it's managed. If you're specifically looking to export conversations, this is the right place to continue. In the Privacy section, find and click on Export Data. This opens the Export tool, where you can choose what data you want to include. Take a moment here to review the available export options so you understand what will be downloaded. Next, select Sample Conversations From. This is the option shown in the export settings for choosing the conversation data you want to include. Make sure the correct selection is highlighted before moving forward. It's a good idea to double check your selection here so the export contains the information you expect. Once that's done, click on Export. This submits the export request and starts the process. Depending on the platform behavior, your export may begin immediately or be prepared for download shortly afterward. If there's any confirmation message on screen, read it so you know what to expect next. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the steps to export conversation data in Claude AI. If you plan to save the exported file, consider storing it somewhere secure and easy to find later, especially if it contains important conversation history. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process clear and simple.